Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another video of UKTechins. So after creating the launcher screen, the assets and the main UI, so the next step is to add some music or some sound. So each letter has some sound on the press of the button. So let me just add the resources and create a group and then finish it, and the music is over here. The next step is go to launcher screen and here, and then the logic is to create a dictionary in such a way that alphabet will associate with this music sound and the image will be associated with the value of this image. So we will create a dictionary on the view controller class. So first is let, because we will not change it either in this program. So let dict equals to this and go to a colon, the key is a colon, value is apple, the b value is baseball, and let's just check the images also here so that I'll get the name of each. And stay. Clock C, and the value is clock. So after creating all, let's just check all these alphabets are good to go with these assets. No, the granny one is granny, but the view has grandmother. So let me just change this to grandmother in the assets folder and just rename it like this. And now go to main, go to view controller again, importing the AV foundation, which is a library we have to import to play a sound, and we will initialize here a variable which is var player and AV audio player like this, and then we will initialize it in the button section. So for playing a sound, we will go to Safari, and so this is my channel, just subscribe it, and now just go to Google and search here play sound in Swift, and just go to this link in Stack Overflow, and what I'll do is just copy a method of my Swift version related and just copy this function and go back to your class and just paste over here. So let's just try to understand this path we are using to play a resource, and here is the resource name. Like we have a resource A and the type is mp3. Like this, we have the type of this A alphabet as mp3, and then what we will do is, and then it's changing the path to the URL, just changing the path as a URL, which is variable known as file URL with path, and then we use do to try once, and then catch to just catch the exception if the audio is not played. So it will catch the exception, and the exception is also print under the print sections. So the player is just checking that whether it is initialized or not. If it is initialized, then play, other than just leave it and throw in the exception. So it will not crash your application, just throw in the exception under the lock. right? The next step is to use our label and our image and the buttons. So let's go again to the main storyboard, use assistant from here and just move aside, just go to the screen view and StackView label and just control and drag it here or else here. You can use anything. So first is text view and the next is image view, so I'll use this one also again here, image view, connect, and the buttons. So let's try with this button. It's a control and then just create the method over here, and the method type of this is UIButton and the name will be press to play a sound, like this, just a sound and connect. But you can see over here that all the buttons have, these are the buttons that will play a sound with, and we can use single button to perform multiple actions. So what I will do is I'll just go to this button or this line, and using over this it will display a plus sign. If you hold it and go to this UI, you can easily drop it over here and it will show that now these two button will perform this action. So now I'll just drag all these and it's simple and easy, right? Whoa, here you go. You attached all the functions and the label and the image into this class. So that's it for today. We will play the sound in next tutorial, and this session will be available on Thursday, so you can practice on the UI, on the functions and the dictionary. If you haven't watched how to create dictionary, you can go to this link, how to create a dictionary, in my description box, so that you can easily create the dictionary and know the concept of dictionary. That's it for today. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from UKtechians. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.